NASA plans to put a nuclear reactor on the moon. Here's what that means. NASA is advancing plans to deploy a nuclear reactor on the moon as part of its long-term lunar exploration strategy. The project, known as Fission Surface Power, is intended to provide a reliable, continuous source of energy for future astronauts and robotic systems operating in lunar environments. The concept involves a small, lightweight fission reactor capable of generating 40 kilowatts of electrical power, enough to support a lunar habitat, life support systems, and scientific operations for at least 10 years. The technology is designed to be compact and transportable, allowing it to be delivered to the lunar surface by a lander. Once deployed, the reactor would be positioned at a safe distance from crewed habitats and shielded to protect astronauts from radiation exposure. Its modular design would allow for multiple units to be placed across different lunar sites.
The potential of a clean, long-term power source on the moon, reliably, flexibly, and sustainably supporting a range of operational demands, providing power and heat output as required, powering new journeys, new connections, new understandings, new discovery. Rolls-Royce Micro Reactor. The power to explore.
NASA has partnered with the U.S. Department of Energy and industry contractors to develop and test the nuclear components. Prototypes are being designed to withstand the moon's extreme temperature swings, abrasive dust, and lack of atmosphere. The goal is to conduct a demonstration mission in the early 2030s. Acting NASA Administrator Sean Duffy emphasized, "We're in a race to the moon, in a race with China to the moon, and to have a base on the moon. We need energy." NASA plans to select at least 2 private companies to build the reactor within approximately 6 months as part of its fast-tracked lunar nuclear initiative. One of the biggest concerns is what happens when the reactor reaches the end of its lifespan. If we're considering bringing the reactor off the moon someday, making sure its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere will be a difficult feat. If you recall the Cosmos 954 incident, a nuclear-powered satellite by Russia malfunctioned in January 1978 while re-entering Earth's atmosphere and exploded over Canada. This resulted in the spread of radioactive debris across the country. Let me know your thoughts.